Hello you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is my first basketball opening. I'm going to be opening up a Prizm Draft Picks Hobby Hybrid box. This comes with one autograph and then 25 cards total, 5 cards per pack and 5 packs per box. You can find the Ultra Rare Color Blast insert, and this product was a lot of fun in my opinion. You can pull some nice short print numbered cards, and yeah, so here's the inside of the box. Put that back in there. And yeah, this will be base, everything else in highlight. Let's get opening. Chris Duarte rookie, Zach LaVine, Tyrese Halliburton, Patrick Williams, red disco. Oh, the autograph is in the first pack. EGO. Who's that? Elijah Goss, numbered 7 out of 20. Pink disco. So that's nice, a numbered autograph. The 20 is pretty short printed. I haven't heard of the player, but still a cool looking card. And then here's the Patrick Williams. Not numbered. Yeah, the red looks like it's not numbered. Let's put that in there since it's exclusive. Have a silver and a silver disco in here, or I don't know. John Collins, Kevin Durant, Alex Caruso. Ooh, nice. Josh Giddey blue disco. And silver Rajon Rondo. See if it's numbered. Not numbered, but still nice. One of the top rookies in the disco parallel. This pack was pretty thick. Third pack. Because there's an extra card in it. It's kind of cool. Wait, there's 2 extra cards in it. Okay. Herbert Jones rookie. Grant Hill. Davion Mitchell rookie. Oh, no way. Nice. Scotty Barnes pink. I think this is to 20. Oh, what? Double Scotty. Wait, what? Hold on. Scotty Barnes pink rookie. Numbered 10 out of 20. That's the first one that's really nice. Then Scotty Barnes blue disco. Not numbered, but wow, that's pretty insane. That had an extra card, and yeah, we have silver Kevin Love, and behind there's a flashback disco of Jonathan Kuminga. That's also a very nice card. Wow. That's super cool. Scotty Barnes to 20. Now this pack feels thin. Feels like super thin. Yeah, this pack has 3 cards. Aaron Henry rookie, Scotty Barnes rookie, and John Morant. Then this pack feels kind of normal again. And in this, it looks like we have a purple and then a brilliance disco. Josh Christopher rookie, Jaylen Brown, Isaiah Thomas. Let's go from the back. Ooh, nice, another brilliance, or another Jonathan Kuminga disco brilliance rookie. Another one of the top rookies. Non-numbered. Oh, shoot. To rookie, Brandon Boston. Yeah, nice. Brandon Boston Jr. Purple Disco, numbered 40 out of 50. So that was a pretty successful box. Let's get these piles organized. We could put that in there. And then that there. So we have the highlights, Brandon Boston, numbered to 50, rookie. Kaminga Brilliance, silver disco. Scotty Barnes base rookie, I can go in there. Kaminga flashback disco. The autograph was Elijah Doss, numbered to 20. Then we have the super nice Scotty Barnes rookie, numbered 10 out of 20. And then Scotty Barnes blue variation. I missed that, but it's a variation non-numbered. And Josh Giddey blue. So, thank you guys for watching. I'll be back with another video soon. Bye-bye.